The Manchow soup is something you must try, even when it's not the winter season. The soup filled with spices and veggies, and its preparation is a matter of minutes. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special Manchow soup. First, we'll get ready with all the veggies. Take 1 medium-sized onion, 1 small green capsicum, 2 cabbage leaves, 1 small carrot, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 20 garlic cloves, approximately 35 grams, 4 spring onion greens, and small bunch of coriander. Now cut all the veggies finely. Try to cut as small as possible. After cutting all the veggies, heat up the pan. Pour 5 tablespoons of oil. When oil heats up, add chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies and toast them on high flame for 30 seconds. Now add chopped onion and toast for 30 more seconds. No need to fry onion till it turns to golden color. Now add chopped cabbage, capsicum, and carrot and mix well on high flame. Here I am using purple cabbage. You can use any cabbage as per your availability. After 1 minute of frying, add 3 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. In this stage, you can add Ajinomoto or tasting salt. Here I'm not adding. After mixing, add 2 liters of hot water or vegetable stock. After adding water, check and adjust the salt. When water is bubbling, add chopped spring onion greens and coriander. Mix well and let all the veggies boil in the water for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a small bowl. Add 50 ml of water to it. Mix well without having any lumps. Now add this starch water to the soup and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix well and cook till soup thickens. Here cooking time depends on the soup thickness you want. After soup thickens, switch off the gas. Now we'll fry noodles for our soup. Take handful of boiled noodles. To these noodles add 2 teaspoons of corn flour or all-purpose flour. Mix and fry in hot oil till noodles turn to golden brown color. After frying the noodles, you can serve the hot soup with these fried noodles. I don't have words to tell the taste of this soup. You must try and feel the taste.